Hello, hello, my filthy darlings. It is I, everybody's dream ghoul, Calla DeKay, and I am full of spiders. Alright, well, since I'm trying to look more or less human this time, I'm once again turning to my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. You'll notice I'm applying it not only to my face, neck, and ears, but also to my chest. Yes, there is a very good reason I start this video off wearing a bra, and you will see why as we proceed. Alright, continuing on with contouring here. Since I'm going for a normal, albeit pale skin tone, I'm using my NYX Highlight and Contour Pro palette, applying again not only to my face, but also to the exposed skin of my chest. And now to do what made me equal parts excited and nervous when I decided to attempt this look. So this was done using Wet n Wild face paint in black, of course. And what I'm doing is drawing a bunch of rips and gouges into my skin. And why am I doing this? Well, it's like I said at the beginning of the video. I'm full of spiders. But I didn't want to go for anything medical malady related. No, I wanted to go for something more eldritch horror. So instead of going for eggs laid underneath the skin, I instead decided to go for extra dimensional spiders using my body as a conduit to escape into our reality. This whole look is heavily inspired by Jason Parkin's work, specifically his second novel, This Book is Full of Spiders. Seriously, dude, don't touch it. So for a little added depth to the effect, I did use my contouring palette as well as the horror palette from DeKay, and specifically the Dust Glitter. I was trying to give the illusion of chitin and spider eyes looking out through the gaps. Unfortunately, it really didn't read out well in the end. So for some aspects of this look, I did want to go something a little more subdued so as not to draw away from the more horrific aspects of the idea. So in the name of that subtlety, I decided just to stick with something very basic for my eyeshadow using the Low Stick Noir palette to just give myself a nice little two-tone eyeshadow look. Nothing hugely complex or showy, just something I might put on if I'm just going out of the house to hang out with friends. So wouldn't you know it, in the excitement of doing everything else, I had completely forgotten to do my eyelashes prior to this. So in this case, I'm using some new lashes I just got from Jim Meyer Beauty. So I'll admit I was a little skeptical of these lashes at first because I got a huge packet off Amazon for like 10 bucks, and they say you get you pay for, but hey, I'm on a budget, and I'll admit I was pleasantly surprised the way these went on and the way they wore. So, in the name of keeping some aspects of this subdued and basic, I'm just using my Catgirl Eraser Eyeliner stamp from DeKay. It's just like a 2-marker set. Draw on your eyeliner and then stamp on your cat's eyes and you are good to go. For my eyebrows, I use Nine Tails from DeKay, of course. My lipstick is a very nice dark red from Liquid Catsuit. I do like this quite a bit because again it has one of those nice brush tip applicators. You can basically draw on whatever shape you want with no real extra added steps. And now for another fun and experimental part. Well now, since I'm supposed to be full of spiders, I figured, what the heck, let's go ahead and take this to a whole other level than anything we've ever done before. In this case, that meant taking a bunch of small plastic spiders I got off of Amazon, and using a little eyelash glue, attaching them to my face and chest, just wherever they would look like they were crawling out of the cracks that I'd drawn across my body. I will not lie, this was a lot of fun, but it was also kind of a pain in the ass. Some of the spiders did not want to adhere correctly, others would fall off after a while just because of the part of the body they've been placed on. But overall, I really do like this effect and would do it again, even though it did mean later on trying to scrape off eyelash glue that did not want to come off after either showering or using a makeup remover. So other elements of this look include these Demonia boots. They are a men's style, but I thought they really worked for what I was trying to go for here. And this dress I have been taking my time to customize, and I'm really thrilled with the way it came out. And the final result? Overall, I was very happy with the way this came out. It was a very weird and demented idea, and I had a lot of fun putting this all together. Well, my filthy darlings, it's been fun, but that is it for now. I want to say thanks for watching, and I look forward to getting ready with you again at some point in the very near future. But until then, do us all a favor and keep yourselves out of trouble. Oh, and be on the lookout for spiders. Goodbye.